gonna walk along this lake, take in the beautiful views. Good morning, just got out of our hotel, finally seeing Hanoi in the daytime. Now we're about to get some grub. Conveniently, the old quarter is located right outside of our hotel, one of the most lively attractions in Hanoi. We're gonna walk around here, visit some more spots, and we're probably gonna visit this later on at night. Had to get my boba fix before continuing our walk. The busy city life. So we're walking and we found this random art gallery on the streets of Hanoi. And all the art here looks super duper cool. I don't know what this place is called, but it must be the Louvre of Hanoi or something, because all the art in here is really nice. So actually I found out what this place was. It was fine art. It's a exhibition of fine arts and photography, and it's actually the grand opening, so we're very lucky. So we're closing in on the French Quarter now. So you can tell the buildings are a bit different architecture. It's more of like French style, and also these luxury malls. It's getting more bougie here. So apparently we have reached the Beverly Hills of Hanoi. So Ha has told us it's Mo Chang Tieng. That's what it's called. So we just got to our destination. This place is called Hoan Kiem right here. It basically means Sword Lake, and it's really beautiful. This is like the central park of Hanoi, and yeah, we're gonna walk along this lake and take in the beautiful views. So we're about to go to the famous Red Bridge over here. Been walking along the park for quite some time now. Yes, a very beautiful park, very beautiful lake, very relaxing. We're now on the Red Bridge. Super cool. So this park is actually in the old quarter as well, which is to the right of me, where all the hustle and bustle is. And yeah, the old quarter has a lot of cool architecture. It's mixed with like French architecture, so it's really cool. And yeah, I'm pretty surprised of how clean this city is, because it's like a big metro city, a lot of hustle and bustle, but I also see a lot of people cleaning up as well. But yeah, beautiful park and a beautiful old quarter. We just got to the UNESCO heritage site of the Imperial Citadel of Hanoi, Tan Long, which means dragon. This is Ha, our tour guide and friend. She's been telling me all the cool facts about Vietnam. We just paid our tickets, 15,000 dong. Now we are here, the Royal Imperial Palace of Tan Long, of Hanoi. It's where the king used to live. Hello. We're walking to the Citadel now. We've just read that the Nguyen dynasty used to rule this citadel, and my last name is Nguyen, so I guess I used to rule the citadel. And also, the North used this as a, what is it called? A base during the American War.
Vietnam
So
way.
yeah, there's a lot of history layered in this citadel, so we are about to see all the history. This is it. After a little walk, we finally got here. Now we'll explore the grounds. It looks like this building has been through a lot. I guess that's because this used to be a war fortress for a lot of battles as well. It's really cool though. I'm about to enter. So we have just entered the tunnel of the fortress. This is where all the wars were fought. This is the encased rubble from where the fortress got bombed in the war. This is the courtyard of the citadel. It's like the Vietnamese Game of Thrones in here, as Leia said. So we just walked up the stairs to the top of the citadel. There's a bunch of exhibitions about the American War, as this was also a fortress and a site for the North during the war. So that's cool as well. But yeah, just exploring the citadel. It's really cool. Saw some great views while you're up here as well. Nice and breezy. But yeah, I think we explored most of the citadel already, so it's time to go to our next destination. We're at Highlands Coffee. Vietnam is very famous for the coffee, and this is like the Starbucks of Vietnam. And we're about to get something to drink. We just went to our hotel to rest a bit, and now we're gonna explore the rest of the old quarter and grab some food. So the reason why the old quarter is so popular is because it's obviously really old and it's been here since the French colonialism, and that's why all the restaurants and all stalls and shops here are super poppin'. The nightlife is pretty crazy too. I feel like no one here sleeps. So we just booked our Ha Long Bay tour. Now we're walking around the old quarter. It's pretty lively. Food everywhere. Super lit. There's bikes everywhere, but you still have to walk on the street. This is the only way to walk. It's like you're risking your life every time you step out on these streets. So we're in the old quarter night market right now. Bunch of stalls selling a bunch of stuff and food. It's crazy. This is what it looks like when the sidewalk and roadways are one and the same.
Cái này hạt gì vậy?
So it seems like we're in the most lit part of the quarter because there's a bunch of people turning up around here in heels and such.
We're coming here?
Looking really good.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's fine.
So we're at this restaurant called Hanoi Food Culture. It's supposed to be a really popular place here, like a top 10 restaurant. Apparently it was on CNN and stuff. And we're about to try their food to see if it's worth it or fire.
Let me look it up again.
And yeah, but a lot different. I'm getting some Western vibes from here. Some Western prices as well. But yeah, the menu looks pretty good. See if the food tastes as good. This place looks nice and fancy. I'm getting real Frenchy vibes from this place.
Oh, you could get.
These are our menus. We're gonna see what we're gonna eat today.
The buffalo tenderloin steak with mushroom sauce and good over.
My first time eating buffalo. Tastes similar to beef. Pretty fire. Hanoi, the city that never sleeps. It's a bunch of locals and everyone out around right here just eating local food and hanging out until super late. But we're going in and we're going to sleep pretty soon. We're not like the locals. Alright guys, just got back. We're going to rest up because tomorrow at 7 a.m. the bus come and pick us up for a full day Ha Long Bay tour. And yeah, see you guys in the next vlog.